this video I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit or withdraw your Hamster Kombat token to EBI Exchange. Step 1. Download Trust Wallet on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Open up abi.xyz/en/hamster. I'll also put a link to it down in the description down below. Step 3. Go to the airdrop on EBI. Step 4. Click on withdrawal. Step 5. Select EBI DEX Exchange. Step 6. Click register. Step 7. Now when you have come to the EBI Hamster Deposit website, you will need to copy the URL. Step 8. Go to your Trust Wallet app. Step 9. Go to the Discover tab. Step 10. On the search bar, you'll need to paste in the URL and then you need to click search. Step 11. Now you'll need to click sign in. Step 12. Now you'll need to connect wallet with your Trust Wallet. Step 13. You'll have the opportunity to add in a referral code. If you don't have one, you can simply click next or skip. Step 14. Now a message saying, please go to the wallet and sign message to continue. Here you'll need to click confirm. Step 15. Now a signature request will appear. Here you'll need to click sign. Step 16. Now you'll need to click and copy the UID, which can be found on the top of the page in abi.xyz. Step 17. Now you'll need to go to the Hamster Convert application. Step 18. Now you'll need to paste in the UID and then click verify and set as default. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!